While many medical treatments from the early 1900s have been debunked, a handful have managed to stand the test of time. At the top of this list is everyone's favorite, Vicks VapoRub. It is a topical cough suppressant designed to clear the sinuses and alleviate the symptoms of the common cold. But did you know that Vicks can be used for headaches, skin issues, and much more? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me make more videos just like this. Vicks has 3 major oils in its ingredients. It has camphor, eucalyptus, and menthol. These are the ingredients that make this product so effective. So when you breathe in the vapors, they make your nasal passages feel cooler. That makes your brain think you're breathing better. This can quiet the cough response, which is intended to clear excess mucus. When it comes to pain relief, the camphor and menthol in VapoRub are considered counter-irritants. That means they overwhelm your cell's pain receptors, so they no longer notice your pain. The effects are real when it comes to making you feel better. Studies have shown that counter-irritants are effective in relieving many kinds of pain. To treat a cough, apply Vicks VapoRub to the chest and throat. To relieve cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation, which are associated with a common cold. But in addition to this, Vicks VapoRub has a handful of other uses. One other use for Vicks that many people know is for headaches. You can use Vicks VapoRub to reduce headache pressure and pain from migraines. The menthol is a key ingredient that provides a cooling sensation that mimics using an ice pack to relieve the pain. The scent of Vicks may also trigger relaxation. You can massage Vicks whenever you feel headache pain. Just be careful to avoid contact with your eyes. In the drier winter months, sometimes your regular body lotion just isn't going to cut it when it comes to keeping your skin moisturized. Luckily, the Vicks formula is strong enough to moisturize the roughest of dry winter skin. To use Vicks as a moisturizer, simply massage small amounts into the skin after a shower. Remember, a little goes a long way. And if you sit at a desk for long hours or are on your feet all day, chances are you've dealt with some muscular discomfort. The menthol and eucalyptus in Vicks VapoRub, when combined with heat, makes a wonderful remedy for wound-up muscles. To use Vicks for your muscles, massage some of the ointment onto the affected area. Then lay a heating pad or warm compress onto the area and allow the pain to simply melt away. If you have ever struggled with persistent athlete's foot, you know it can be very hard to eradicate this fungal infection. Of course, there are plenty of over-the-counter products for treating it. In addition, doctors may prescribe powerful antifungal creams, but there is another option. Vicks VapoRub is a common home remedy used to alleviate certain foot conditions, including athlete's foot. The standout antimicrobial ingredients of this VapoRub, plus the inclusion of petroleum jelly, help to lock in moisture while killing off bacteria. This ointment contains a number of essential oils with antifungal activity. They include camphor, eucalyptus, menthol, thymol, cedar leaf, and nutmeg oil. Possibly putting them all together utilizes synergy that proves their effectiveness. Are your shoes rough on your feet? Vicks can help. Just rub some Vicks on the bottoms of your feet before going to sleep. If desired, sleep with a pair of socks on. And in the morning, you should feel silky, smooth skin. Vicks also works wonders as an antiseptic for treating cuts, burns, or scrapes. for fast recovery of splinters and small cuts. Apply a liberal amount of Vicks within the first hour of the cut and a few hours thereafter. The menthol and eucalyptus help fight inflammation, which reduces pain. But keep in mind that Vicks can be a little strong, so if you experience any burning sensations, wash the area and switch to a milder topical antiseptic. If you have eczema or acne, one of the top uses for Vicks VapoRub is to clear up your complexion. This is due to Vicks' main ingredients like camphor and eucalyptus. So putting a little patch of Vicks on acne can actually calm the skin. Aside from its uses for colds, the ointment is effective at alleviating discomfort and itchiness from insect bites, especially those from mosquitoes. The product's strong scent is known to keep mosquitoes away, so it works as both a preventative measure and an effective treatment for mosquito bites. The active ingredients in Vicks ointment includes eucalyptus, which has been used for centuries in the treatment of skin itchiness, such as the kind caused by minor rashes and insect bites. Countless reviews of Vicks VapoRub say it can help with stretch marks. Some women prefer to use Vicks VapoRub for skin tightening, either on the belly or to fade the appearance of stretch marks. It is recommended to use a topical ointment onto the area where you have stretch marks. The rub seals in moisture, and its active ingredients creates a thermal movement to rev blood flow and firm the belly skin. To achieve the best results, a small amount of Vicks VapoRub is to be massaged onto the skin for 5 minutes, once or twice a day. You should notice an improvement and fading of stretch marks within 2 weeks. Many people also insist that Vicks helps fade the appearance of bruises. Bruises form when there is some form of physical injury to the skin, and it damages the underlying blood vessels, which then leak out blood that accumulates in the surrounding tissue. This pooling of blood under the skin is known as bruising, and it appears like a purplish, bluish mark on the surface of the skin. Applying an ice pack immediately after an injury will help prevent discoloration. But if you do end up with a bruise, some people recommend spreading Vicks VapoRub in a thin layer over a bruise, then adding salt. The combination is supposed to break down the blood in the bruise, causing it to lighten the discoloration faster. So if your bruise doesn't go away within a couple weeks, or if it worsens, visit your physician, as it could be part of a bigger problem.